I'm going to show you how you can count the characters on Google Documents in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So as you can see, I have this Google document right here. And if I want to know all the characters the file has, all you need to do is go to Tools right here at the top, and then you will see word count, or you can also press Ctrl Shift C. So this window will pop up and you will see all the information. So it has 3 pages, more than 1,000 words and more than 6,000 characters. And you can also see the characters excluding the spaces. So that's it. You can also enable this option that will display the word count right here, and you will have details while you are typing. You can also click this icon to see more detailed information, or you can also hide it. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.